The Mother Nature is in our face telling us, listen to me, look the weather, look the birds, look this, look that, go, come, come to me, I help you, I give you more energy, I balance you, I ground you, I center you. That's how I listen to Mother Nature. That's why I can't let go of traveling, because I have this amazing abundance of energy that I can nowhere else receive from except with being so close and so extensive, rich time. Creativity then is blooming, and this is how we should all treat Mother Nature and her energy as a source of our life force, of our creative energy. And when I speak creative energy, it's a life force energy. Everything is creation. So everything is energy. So if everything is energy and everything is creation, including ourselves, so we are all together flowing and riding that wave of creative energy flow. I'm just hearing myself rising my voice like woo, riding my way while sharing with you, and I really can't express myself, but I will try my best. I'm so truly appreciating your presence, because after thousands of videos recorded on my own, listening only by myself, finally I had the courage to do the same but share with you, whoever you are. And no matter, I really don't care even anymore to look at how many likes or views. Still I do look views, but likes or being obsessed with that, only few people watching. Great, thank you for being here, because you're the ones who needed to hear this. And that's it. Even if it's one of you, I keep saying that for years with all my workshops, with all my new projects, with even this, as I'm sharing this message with you, and sharing my truth, sharing my real who I am on also many different levels, as totally cracked open. And how not to appreciate that? How not to appreciate you and being truly, honestly grateful, while you are my reflection, and I hope, and not that I hope, I'm not hoping, I know, if you are listening, I'm your reflection, and you will find something in what I'm expressing that resonates with you. Otherwise you wouldn't watch all those minutes, whatever it is, I don't care. Anyhow, you see, that's what I'm saying, the energies are crazy. I couldn't record, I couldn't stop recording all morning, and now it's probably noon, and it's just amazing, and at the same time like, oh my goodness. Anyhow, we will rise above it all. I know that it's crazy, but for the greater good of all, and this all these challenges we are experiencing, and all those changes, and all these upside downs, and it's ongoing thing for I think for many years. It's literally perhaps only something that is energetically speaking new. Experiences we create for ourselves, most probably in any time, at any dimension, as equally beautiful or challenging, with only little slight difference that taking it right now into multi-dimensional worlds and parallel universes, and I'm not going there. No, in this recording, catalyst. Wow! Anyhow, I'm wrapping up. I appreciate you. I thank you. I am really grateful for your being here, and thank you for your time and ride your way the best and the most beautifully you can. And I speak to you tomorrow. Much love.